Working with the ratios. Sharing in a ratio. To share an amount in a ratio, add the ratios together to get the total number of parts. Then divide the total by number of parts. To calculate each person's share, multiply by the ratio. Check that these add up to the original amount. Worked example of sharing ratio is: divide $24 in the ratio 7:5. Add the ratios together to get the number of parts. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now divide the total by number of parts. So 24 over 12 equals 2. Now multiply 7 by 2. It will be 14. Now multiply 5 by 2. It will be 10. So it will be $14 and $10 when we divide $24 in the ratio 7:5. Next topic is difference in a ratio. Sometimes you could be told the difference between two shares rather than the total amount to be shared. To solve such questions, calculate difference in the parts of the ratio. Then difference in the parts of the ratio equals difference in the amount. Calculate one part of the ratio by dividing both sides by the difference in the ratio, and multiply the result by the share to get the amount. And then calculate sum of the parts of the ratio. Then multiply the ratio by one part of the amount to get the total amount. Here a worked example of ratio. Ali and Mo share a sum of money in the ratio Ali ratio Mo equals 9:7. Ali receives $600 more than Mo. Calculate how much each receives. Now follow the steps. Calculate difference in the ratio. Now difference in the ratio is 2. This means that 2 parts equals $600. Now divide both sides by 2. So one part will be equal to $300. Now calculate the sum of the ratio. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Total amount will be 16 times $300 equals $4,800. Now Ali receives 9 times 300 will be equal to 2,700, and Mo receives 7 times $300 will be equal to $2,100. So Ali and Mo receives $2,700 and $2,100 respectively. Finding the value of the other part. In some cases, you could be told the value of one side of the ratio rather than the total amount to be shared. To find the value of the other part of the ratio, calculate the value of one part of the ratio by using the given data. Multiply the result by the share to get the amount. Calculate sum of the parts of the ratio. Then multiply sum of the ratio by one part of the amount to get the total amount. Worked example. Christian and Stephanie share some money in the ratio 3:2. Christian receives $72. Work out how much Stephanie receives. The ratio of shares of Christian to Stephanie is 3:2. And Christian receives $72. So 3 parts equals $72. Divide both sides by 3 to get one part. It will be 1 part will be equal to 24. So Stephanie's share is 2. So 2 times 24 will be equal to 48. So Stephanie receives $48. 3-part ratio. You may be given two separate ratios that are linked together in some way so that you can form a 3-part ratio. To do this, figure out which part of the ratios can be used as a link. Then multiply or divide both ratios so they both compare to the same number. Then link them together and simplify. Worked example. Some visitors to a campsite are in the ratio. Men ratio woman is 5:4 and woman ratio children is 3:7. Calculate the ratio man to woman to children in its simplest form. Given ratios are man to woman is 5:4 and woman to children is 3:7. Woman features in both ratios, so we will use it as a link. Multiplying man ratio woman by 3 and woman ratio children by 4. So both ratios are comparing to 12. So man ratio woman equals 15:12 and woman ratio children is 12:28. Now we can link them together. So man ratio woman ratio children will be equal to 15:12:28. Now test yourself. Question number 1 is, one day the newspaper had 60 pages of news and advertisements. The ratio number of pages of news to the number of pages of advertisements is 5:7. Calculate the number of pages of advertisements. It's a 2-mark question. And write the number of pages of advertisements as a percentage of the number of pages of news. It's a 1-mark question. Question number 2. Amol and Priya deliver 645 parcels in the ratio. Amol ratio Priya is 11:4. Calculate the number of parcels Amol delivers. It's a 2-mark question. Question number 3. Marianne sells photos. The selling price of each photo is $6. The selling price of each photo is made up of 2 parts, printing cost and profit. For each photo, the ratio printing cost to profit is 5:3. Calculate the profit she makes on each photo. It's a 2-mark question. Now question number 4. Alex and Chris share sweets in the ratio. Alex to Chris is 7:3. Alex receives 20 more sweets than Chris. Work out the number of sweets Chris receives. It's a 2-mark question. Question number 5. Arjun and Gretel each pay rent. In 2018, the ratio of the amount each paid in the rent was Arjun to Gretel is 5:7. In 2019, the ratio of the amount each paid in the rent was Arjun ratio Gretel is 9:13. Arjun paid the same amount of rent in both 2018 and 2019, and Gretel paid $290 more rent in 2019 than she did in 2018. Work out the amount Arjun paid in rent in 2019. It's a 4-mark question. Question number 6. A plane has 14 first-class seats, 70 premium seats, and 168 economy seats. Find the ratio. First class seats, ratio premium seats, ratio economy seats in its simplest form. And it's a 2-mark question.